Okay. Hallo Leute, guten Abend meine Lieben, moin. Noch raus Ventilator aus, ist besser, ja. Ja Leute, heute geht's um Poppy Playtime meine Lieben. Ihr werdet aber erstmal mal machen könnt. Ihr könnt mal eine Runde einen Like da machen. Als erstmal einen Like da. Dann wird uns so abonnieren, abonniert unseren Kanal. Dann paar Kommentare, die heftige Kommentare, das wäre auch noch gut. Und dann nur noch dazu mal. Ja, ihr wisst ja, was man mal kennt. Er wird dann auch mal so halt bei einem die Glocke aktivieren. Aktivieren mal die Glocke so. Ich tue das. So und noch am Tag. Gut. Ja, Leute, heute hat Gamecast wieder ein neues Video gemacht. Ich schaue uns mal gerade mal rein. Mehr habe ich nicht zu sagen. Nur jetzt meine Meinung. Gritteres ist leider eventuell auf elementare maßlichen Feuer, Nacht, Magie und Wasser. Keine Ahnung, was das ist, aber ich würde sagen, wir gucken mal rein. Also. Hast du das so? Der Boss?
Time to turn things up a notch.
Natürlich auf den Knopf. Was wird da passieren?
Please. This company was never made to build toys. Don't do this. You don't know what you're doing. It was made to change the world.
Also, der wollte gerade aufpassen, dass er nicht den Knopf drückt. Was wird da passieren? Hey. Error? Oh Gott.
What happened? Does anyone have a visual on the toy?
Was war das? Oh, ein Metallmeister.
What have you done?
Feuer. Okay. Elementar Feuer.
It worked. It really worked. It sure did.
Okay. Elementar Feuer. Wow.
Didn't it? Huh? I'll be happy to take over
Can't
from here,
get.
Doc.
Uh-oh.
Wait,
Das ist
Cat?
hart.
What are you doing here? I thought you were destroyed. Destroyed? Do I look
Cat
destroyed to you?
Oh Gott.
Starting today, this factory will no longer be run by foolish corporate entities.
Elemental.
Instead, it shall be run by us, the Elemental Toys.
Player, hallo Player.
Can't I just have a nice normal day for once?
Okay, also bitte haut ab beim Doc von Feuer.
My neck.
Das ist ja interessant.
What the?
Hey there, player. What's wrong?
Er wollte gerade sagen, what the heck? Ja, ist ja gut.
Can't take the heat?
Dog day? What happened to you?
Doc
You're
Day?
so...
Powerful? I know, right? And it's all thanks to our brave leader, Catnap.
Wow.
Catnap?
Sorry I had to roast you like that back there. It's just, Catnap told me not to let anyone in or near the laboratory under
Catnap.
any circumstances.
Well, that settles it then.
Wasser?
No, wait!
If it's Catnap who's behind this, I've got to investigate. Sorry, Dog
Der lässt
Day.
mit Wasser. Von Doc Day. Finde ich gut.
Oh boy, it looks like a bomb went off in this place.
Are you sure about this, Catnap? Yes, quite sure.
It sounds like I'm not alone.
Den Elefant.
Gotta hide.
And now, my brother, the time has
Was
finally
tut
come.
Catnap da? Der sagt was ein.
I give you the gift of unthinkable power.
Oh.
May you use this gift
tut Catnap?
wisely.
Was?
What's happening to me?
Catnaps hat eine bestimmt irgendwas eingesaugt und schießt auf den Elefanten. Was wird da aus für eine Elementalkraft?
Catnap, what have you done?
Oh man, that rainbow goo. That must be the same stuff that mutated Dog Day.
Yes, the transformation.
Der wird Wasser. Elemental. Okay, und der wird für Elementalkraft Wasser. Oh, wie interessant.
I can't believe this. My whole body is made of water. Man, wait till the rest of the gang gets a load of this. Talk about making a splash.
It
Oh.
appears that your transformation is already getting attention, Baba. For it seems we have an unwanted guest.
Catnap hat ihn gesehen.
Well, well, if it isn't Blair.
Get your tail off me, Catnap. I know you're up to something, and I'm not about to let you get away with it.
I don't think so. Baba, show Blair here the
Baba?
true depths of your power.
With pleasure, Catnap.
Oh je, mit Wasser. Und die kultiviert sogar Wasser. Das war gefährlich.
Oh no, I gotta stop him. He's getting away.
Hey, player. Hope you can swim.
Uh-oh.
Der Wasser.
That's not good. What am I gonna do? Yes, there. That's perfect.
Ah. Durch Elektronik.
Nice try.
Durch erledigt.
Sorry about that, Bubba. Better take some time to recharge.
Die Pistole.
Oh no.
Catnap hat sie gesehen.
Sorry, Blair. Bottoms up.
Der auch? Welche
Catnap,
Kraft hat der
what have you
denn?
done?
Welche Kraft hat Catnap, Leute?
What's going on here?
Oh.
Are you still having a meeting?
Do you have a legendary hero?
No, but what about it?
Give him 777 draws. Plus 5 legendary heroes.
Wait!
Was bringt das, Leute?
Why are you so jealous?
You really did come close to stopping me, Blair. Unfortunately, the sun has set on your foolish attempt.
Nacht oder so.
Nighty-night, Blair. Sweet dreams.
Albträume. Diese Albträume.
Where am I? What's happening?
Ach, Dunkelheit.
Well, look who's awake.
Catnap, where did you get that strange liquid from?
Kräfte der Dunkelheit hat Catnap. Kräfte der Dunkelheit. Oh.
And what are you planning to do with it?
Oh, please, Blair. You know
Ja, Leute, wir wissen, dass wo Catnap ist, da wo dort Doktor gekommen ist.
I got it from the same place all monstrosities come from. The laboratories here at Playtime Co. Ever since the smiling critters started to decline in sales, the CEO put extra pressure on his scientists to come up with
Keine
fancy new
Kritis,
upgrades.
genau, da haben die in den Nachrichten gesehen. Genau, kleine Vergangenheit.
Dog Day to heat up. He'd be a warm and toasty
Dog
happy
Day.
bunny. Perfect toy for cuddling.
Feuer.
The CEO didn't think it was radical enough. The CEO was desperate. He didn't know how any of this machinery worked. All he knew.
Ja, Leute, das habe ich ja gesehen. Das war schon am Anfang. Genau, das war schon am Anfang.
He wanted results, so he took things into his own hands. And now you see why I had to take it from them. Because the fools who run this place can't be trusted. And I won't live under their rule any longer. You see that chemical
Recht.
compound I took from the lab? Well, I've rigged it up to the factory sprinkler system. And at exactly 9 p.m., it's going to give every toy in this
Ma-
factory
30
their very
Minuten
own
ist eine
unique
Bombe.
elemental power. Just think about it, Claire. Thousands of toys. An entire army of elements.
Caterpillar. Oh ja, nicht gut. Caterpillar, also die ganze Stadt zerstören. Catnap will, das meine Kritis, als auch er die ganze Stadt irgendwie zerstören, eventuell und... Ach du Kacke. Ja, deswegen als er vor... Catnap ist also der Böse. Anscheinend, keine Ahnung. Ich habe die ganze Stadt zerstören oder der Boss will es. Könnte auch gut sein.
Little super critters, all at my command. Sounds like more than enough to finally rid us of this awful factory, don't you think? And then we'll take over the
Mais.
entire world.
Feuer, für Mais.
That's
Ja.
enough, Catnap.
Du hast dich da leider verraten. Ich werde.
The meaning of this?
Bubba and I heard what you're really up to.
Helfen
And we don't
jetzt.
want anything to do with it.
You're not gonna get away with this, Catnap.
Well, what a shame. And to think, I thought you two were going to be on my side as I took over the world.
Jo, Catnap, der Böse.
But no matter.
Okay,
Gute
player,
Nacht.
listen up. We'll hold off Catnap. You turn off that sprinkler system.
Got it.
Kraft der Dunkelheit, Catnap.
I've had enough of your power-hungry ways, Catnap. Time for you to feel the burn.
I gave you fools everything. And this is how you were paying me.
Whoa! We aren't the fools, Catnap. You are.
Come on. Why won't this thing budge? We're running out of time.
We could have had everything all day. Unlimited power.
Oh. Los,
Can't hold him much.
den wir besiegen? Vielleicht, ich würde sagen, war eine Griterin.
Whoa, check it out. We did it. We're back to
Und keine
normal.
Kräfte
Not
mehr.
a moment too
Tja,
soon.
ist doch gut so.
Wait, where's Catnap?
Ich auch wissen, wo es Catnap ist. Ich hab jetzt home. Oh. Nochmal?
Lois! Lois!
Oh
Lois!
Gott, keine Ahnung.
Lois! Lois! Mom! Mom! Mom!
Du nervst.
Mommy!
Du nervst. Tja Leute, das war's auch für das Video. Mir war heute ein bisschen schwindelig, morgen etwas anderes. Aber jetzt würde ich sagen, Leute, verabschieden wir uns mal. Wir sehen uns dann mal auch beim nächsten Video dann. Wir sehen uns dann mal im nächsten Video. Jetzt will ich nur noch sagen, tschüss. Und jetzt nur noch was sagen und das ist eine Verabschiedung. Wir sehen uns dann beim nächsten Video dann. Tschüss und bis dahin, Leute. Ciao. Ciao. Und bis dahin. Ciao. Ciao.